Hey guys, welcome to my channel Electronic Gadgets. Today we are checking out the Hoover WindTunnel Cord Rewind Pro Bagless Vacuum Cleaner, a cord upright vacuum designed for carpets and hard floors, featuring multi-cyclonic filtration, 25-foot auto rewind cord, and 5 height adjustment, built for powerful and convenient home cleaning. This vacuum cleaner is designed for strong and consistent suction performance, making it suitable for deep cleaning carpets as well as everyday hard floor maintenance. One of the key highlights is the WindTunnel technology combined with multi-cyclonic filtration, which helps lift and remove embedded dirt while maintaining strong airflow and consistent suction power during cleaning. The 5 height adjustment system allows you to easily switch settings based on different floor types, ensuring better cleaning performance whether you are on thick carpet, rugs, or hard surfaces. Another convenient feature is the 25-foot auto rewind cord, which makes storage much easier by automatically retracting the power cord after use, saving time and reducing clutter. The bagless design helps you empty dirt quickly and easily without needing replacement bags, making maintenance more convenient and cost-effective. It also includes a large dirt cup and practical design for everyday home cleaning, helping you cover larger areas without frequent interruptions. Overall, the Hoover WindTunnel Cord Rewind Pro is a powerful and user-friendly upright vacuum cleaner that combines strong suction, smart filtration, and convenient cord management, making it a great choice for efficient home cleaning on multiple surfaces. Thank you. See you in next video.